The Schoology course is the space where lessons and resources are housed. This video is a quick tour of a Schoology course. All students will be enrolled in at least one course, but depending on the school and program, may have several courses. On this screen, I'm logged in as a parent, and I have this banner up here reminding me that I'm viewing one of the students. So if I click here on the profile, I can see the mom is Gwen. There's a dad and 3 children. And right now I'm viewing Jean Finch's account. If I click on courses, I'll see the courses that Jean Finch is enrolled in. She's one of my fake students, so she's enrolled in a lot of courses. Let's go ahead and click on this 5th grade course. You'll see that the parent view is very similar to the student view, which we'll look at in a moment. We're reminded here that we're viewing Jean Finch's account. We can scroll down and see all of the content in the unit. Now we're viewing the student account. You can see the content of the unit. If I come over here and click on the profile, I'll see only the student name and the school that she's enrolled in. And notice there's no blue banner telling me that I'm viewing as a student. So this is what the student views, and this is what the parent views. The content is almost identical. While logged in as a parent, you can view anything in the course. You can open the folders, look inside the content. You cannot, however, submit assignments or do quizzes online. In order to participate in any of those activities, the student must be logged in. When the parent is logged in, you can view assignments, but you cannot do any of the discussions or take any quizzes online. So it's important to keep that in mind. The student must be logged in order to do those activities. When the student is logged in, she can view her courses, any groups she might be enrolled in. She can view her grades from this area. She can also view the Schoology content and any messages. She can view updates a teacher might have posted. Her grades are available here as well. In addition, upcoming assignments can be posted here on the right, depending on the program and school the students are enrolled in. So there's a view of what a Schoology course looks like.